Hi everyone, I'm Zhena, Master Tea Blender and founder at clubmagichour.com. What are the benefits of elderberry tea? Elderberry is a little tiny berry that's such a powerhouse for immunity. It's high in vitamin C and flavonoids, and it's been used in folk medicine for years, I would say probably thousands of years, to help your heart health as well as to help your immunity. It fights off colds and flu. And if any of you have ever taken elderberry syrup, I think it's called sambucus, but the elderberry syrup is also a lovely way to, when you start feeling the sniffles coming on, to boost your immune system. We have two teas that are very high in elderberry. Ruby Moon is our favorite elderberry tea. It's elderberry and hibiscus with other berries and rooibos. Incredible. And it brews super rich like this, and it is delicious. It's absolutely one of our best sellers. Then we also have elderberry in the beautiful Symbiosis. And Symbiosis is a echinacea blend that has elderberries and chamomile and hibiscus in it as well. So elderberry, let's see. It helps protect skin from UV rays. It's high in antioxidants. It's high in vitamin C, and it's been studied for a long time, as well as in folk medicine for boosting immune system. So you can find Ruby Moon as well as Symbiosis and other elderberry teas at clubmagichour.com. Here's to your health.